Hi everyone, I'm Khagindra from Meroservice. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can set password in files and folders on your Windows 10 computer. That you can do without downloading any external software. So let's get started the video. Suppose I want to set password on this photos folder. So first you need to create text file. Enter the name of this text file. Now I'm going to enter locker. Open this text file. In the description of this video you will see blog link. Click on this link and you will reach here. From here you just need to copy some code. So scroll down. Here in the gray box you will see code. So select this code and copy this code and paste here. Please don't do any changes on this code. If you do any change, it doesn't work. So you just need to remove your password text from here and enter new password. Suppose now I'm going to enter 129 and after that click on save as. Now I'm going to save in desktop. So here in the save as type, select all. And in file name you need to remove txt extension and enter bat. That means this locker is going to be batch file. So click on save. When you click on this save, in desktop you will see locker.batch. So double click on this batch file. It's automatically create a private folder. That's where you need to store your private files and folder. So now I'm going to drag and drop these photos in private folder. Here now I've stored photos in the private and again click on this locker.batch file. Now you can delete this locker.txt. It's no more needed. So now click on this locker.batch. When you click on this, its command prompt will be open. So here you need to enter capital Y. That means you are sure you want to log this file and press enter. Now private folder is automatically hidden. To access the private folder, you need to double click on this locker.batch file. When you click on this, here you will see enter password prompt will be open. Now I'm going to enter 129 and enter. Now you can see automatically private folder comes back. So now I can again delete, I can add, I can whatever I want to do. So that's how you can hide your private folder. You can secure your private files, videos, audio, whatever documents you want to hide. So I hope you like this video. So thank you.